oven, but we decided not to go to the scrapyard because we wanted to get some more stuff. But so I just moved it out of the way, and I took the motor off of that garage door opener if you watched our last one. And now we're looking for a little bit of metal, a little bit of fun.
And if you haven't noticed, the fall season was very short here in the Enchanted Forest, and winter has come.
Yes. So very quickly, we haven't really gotten used to it.
Adjusted.
I remember last year we had videos of us scrapping in the winter.
We do it,
but we're not ready for it yet.
And we have not adjusted. And she's a Cleveland girl, born and raised.
I usually get really acclimated, but it seemed like it dropped very quickly.
It was too much too soon. We cannot adjust this.
Anyways, I just saw that somebody on Facebook, in one of my Facebook groups for the municipality that I live in, was complaining about a garbage picker making a mess. And then he happened to know, he had pictures of it. He had a security camera, and he happened to mention how it was illegal to trash pick here in this municipality. And so there are people that are aware of it. You know, you might want to check where you live. All the laws where I live are available online. You can look them up.
However, it is not strongly enforced.
No, in fact, I think if it was us doing it, they probably wouldn't have complained.
Been a big deal. It was a jerk who was.
I don't know what he had in his garbage, but he had it all wrapped up, and I guess
taped boxes, and the guy untaped the boxes. Well, don't put good stuff in taped boxes if you don't want people to go in, and put them beside them, for Pete's sake.
But it just reminded me that it is against the law.
The guy that was complaining though sounded like a real.
He sounded like someone who didn't like this particular person because of the way he looks. And there are lots of people in the world like that. But whether they but you know, when I was a kid, my parents wouldn't let us take stuff out of the garbage. It was taboo. They were like, no, don't do that.
Just not long ago, I've been teaching kids not to eat stuff off the floor or touch the garbage can or eat stuff out of the garbage can for a long time. And now I found out I was wrong.
Well, the stuff that we eat out of the dumpster, I mean, most people know if food's not good for them.
You can tell by the smell, by the look, and you clean them good.
I'm just out here letting you guys, you know, don't do this at home. This is just for your entertainment. If you don't think you can discern whether something is healthy for you or not, don't dumpster dive, okay? Just enjoy our videos and the other people that do videos.
It isn't for everybody. It's not for sissies. You get hurt a lot.
Well, let's see what we can find before the light gets too dark. Those don't do anything. They're not saving my hands anyway.
Need some new entrails.
All right, there I did it. See, guys? This one did it. Why this is back here.
I'm sorry, I didn't put them in good. Turn the handlebars.
I had it turned correctly. All right, a giant speaker. Yeah, my favorite part of scrapping is the getting. I like to go garbage picking. We're probably going to have to do more dumpster diving as the days get shorter. And I hope you guys aren't upset about that, because I like metal to be on the curb too, you know? That is so easy if you're okay with it, if you're okay with people seeing you do it. but we're out pretty early today.
Because it gets dark so early and colder when it starts.
So, there might not be that much stuff. But thank you for your patience. You might enjoy some dumpster diving too, but like I said, I enjoy garbage picking more than dumpster diving. It's just so convenient. It's like right there, you know. And it's like people throw out from their home very interesting things. More interesting than merchandise at stores.
Way more than $1 a pair of shoes. Yeah. Think him up, guys.
No. You mind if we take your scrap?
No, go ahead. Help yourself.
Thank you. Anytime.
Some more right here.
Okay.
Huh? No. No, I want a holiday.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ooh, some. Looky here.
I see. Beautiful.
See this piece of copper here?
I do. It is awesome.
Hooray! We're getting some stuff.
Nice little store.
I love when people are cooperative.
Help yourself.
It's not that cold. I know it looks cold, guys, but it's really not that cold. Well, she's got a parka on.
And I'm still cold. My hands are freezing with just these work clothes. And we can't have the heat on because then you can't hear us.
Alright. Alrighty. Now these balloon things, our place won't take those, right? Freon, refrigerant.
Yeah.
They won't take tanks. I'd love to because I find quite a few. Ooh, I see some goodies over here.
You do?
I do. I see some kappa.
Really good goodies.
Ooh, are those rotors?
They do.
This looks like some kappa, some brass.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you. Them roses.
Heavy. I don't know what these are.
Whatever they are, if they're metal, they're good.
They're very heavy pieces of metal, though. Some more brass.
Oh, yeah.
Nice. There's some more. Hope you guys can see.
They're like wheels of some kind.
Alright.
Nice.
I'm getting some good stuff here.
Nice.
Anything else? Good. little bit more. Okay, let's move on. This is metal. Metal parts.
Get it all in the carpet. I'll start with
that. All right. Make sure these are metal too. You're not picking up stuff that ain't metal.
Sounds like metal.
This is metal. Hopefully. I don't want to have to throw this out in my garbage.
I think this is the hardware. Got us some metal. Anything else good?
Nope. Okay. Got enough metal for you boys? All right, do we have a magnet? Oh yeah, let's see what this is. Yep, sticks good. Well, that was so easy.
That was a woo. The
was
woo
pretty cool.
factor. Yeah.
Because we saw those on top of there.
There was a bunch of wicker furniture that if we would have had the van that day, we would have had.
They cut up the pillows and stuff. Yeah, getting a better load now. This is one of our favorite ones. It looks like it's had some. Okay. Just a quick peek. Cool. Let's see it.
You just shut the door on it. It's right in.
Oh, this thing?
Yep.
Cool, because I had just cut out another one. All right.
Okay. Anything metal.
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 Yeah, we're just scrapping. Yeah, I see it.
Whenever you get it out, we make our rounds every week.
Oh, this looked like it was nice.
You gotta get cards and all those things.
Yeah. Thank you. All right. I know whenever people say that to us, they want us to carry it out from their basement. It's like, no. I'll wait till you put it on the corner.
Are you off?
No.
You're on.
Yeah.
Hi, people.
All right. Always another beautiful sunset. I'm still getting over my cold. Sorry about the coughing, everyone.
I'm just starting to get it, and I'm curing it with the apple cider vinegar with the mother and some salt water and an airborne, and I'm pretty good today. A couple of ibuprofen and an antibiotic. Thank you, good vulture. For the antibiotic tips. What do we have? Thought it was Jones.
Is that a...
Holy moly.
Are we going to be able to get that in?
I don't know. Too much stuff in there already. I don't know if we can do it.
I think so. We'll move it around.
Yeah, we're gonna have to. But at least it's a nice quiet street.
Yeah, no one's coming. Let's try to get it on top here. Take these out.
Then after we get that in. I might have to go and see the car. Alright, wait, let me get behind it. And a pork spicy.
All right, here.
Are there
Could you
two
take
pieces?
this part?
Oh, yeah, that's nice and neat. Easy for us, universe. Put this
All right,
here and
help-
then I'll help you look that
You
up.
always get the hard part in first.
Exactly, that's what I just said. Careful, it's pinch-o-matic. Ready?
We're going to put it in this way.
Lift up the front.
Ow! 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 Ow!
I don't know how to move it. I don't know how to get your finger out.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
You okay? That was bad.
It's fine.
Don't put that on.
It's okay. All right, that's good.
I said okay. Now let's put the other
Knocking my window out. Whew. Yeah, don't try this at home, guys.
I know we make it look so easy.
Oh. My finger's gonna be okay though.
Oh my god, I'm so scared. I didn't know what to do. I couldn't figure out which way to move. It moved.
All right, we just did a little dive, a little bit of picking, a little bit of diving, and we'll see you at the yard tomorrow. Bye bye. Well, it's not the end of the video.
Oh, never mind.
Bye bye. Okay, well, I made room for the stove. I guess I'm gonna have to try to get it in there myself. Because the scrapyard's gonna close. Hands under here somehow. Whew. Good deal. Alright, I got that in. Let's see what else I have to get in. Try to get those in the side, I guess. Whew. That's a heavy one. Maybe LeeAnn will help me with the big one because that's pretty heavy. Oh, I have to get this in there because the scrapyard's going to close. So I don't know where LeeAnn is. Gotta get this in here. Let's see if I can do it. It's extremely heavy. Oh. Let's get these in there. This little thing up in here. Let's see if we could slide that in there, up here.
Okay.
I don't know.
Tiny piece. Yes, it'll flatten out. my fingers in there. Okay. Okay, see. This piece is down. Let me get it up again.
Screwed now. Okay, we're on our way to the yard. We'll get there. See you there.
More. Hey, Dwight. About that motherboard there. Is that
No.
going up front?
Nope.
Let me see what I can do for you.
Well, this bike got a lot of wear.
Woo! Aluminum steel or no?
Damn, that thing's stuck in there now.
We'll get it once we get the little stuff off the sides. This is
Yeah, I know this has some brass on it. I got a big pile of brass at home that I'm gonna cash in on.
Babe, is this stuff going up front or back
I don't think so.
back here?
Yeah, that's just, I don't think that's
Okay, there's
anything
copper
good.
pieces in it, right?
Take copper out, yeah. know if any of that helped me at all.
Oh. Okay, almost. Wait. Anything that can get caught. There's nothing special, right?
Nope.
Garage door opener.
It was a hospital type bed.
What about this wire back here?
It's not anything special.
But it's wire.
Yeah,
It ain't
we'll put it with the wire if we have wire, but I don't know if we do.
Have cat pie, which we will keep separate from it. And we have this. We always have wire. Copper and oh, my bag's still. Alright.
All right, all this stuff still stays. This doesn't. This isn't brass. I already tested it. Let me test it again. Because now that I got that metal part out, I'm curious. All the rest of this stuff stays.
Okay. This too?
No, get rid of that. Ow.
Sounds like an earthquake.
Oh. Okay.
My favorite hand truck wasn't there.
So there's those 3 motors on the other side. Get those. Our Cat 5. And I don't even know if we want to. I mean, this is like basically nothing, but.
It's still wire. and
Okay,
it's
so
not
take this too.
steel wire, so it is something. Yes, it's just in a
I thought we would
single
try to get a big pile of it together. So here, some more.
regular. Good news, good news, good news.
What is
Steel's
it?
going up on Monday.
So it didn't
And
go
they
up.
gave us the price today.
What's the price?
Only for us.
Ooh, it went up $20 a ton to 80.
That is right.
Not too bad. Nice
That's it.
guys.
Next week-
$34.
Next week
Not
we're
too
going to
bad.
get the bulldozed fence because the steel went back up, baby.
Yellow brass.
But they haven't changed the computers yet, so make sure you tell them if it's
Copper.
not him or Larry.
Motors. Insulated Cat 5. That Cat 5 was worth $385.
Yeah, buddy.
Just for the stuff we picked up, the sheet iron, $20.80. So not too bad.
Hair. I got good head.
Thanks a lot for coming along with us, guys. We really appreciate
We
it.
went to the scrapyard and we got
Got
some money. We went to the scrapyard and we got some money. And steel prices are going up. Yay!
Hooray! That means we'll start to have competition.
So all you scrappers, get ready. Prices are going up on Monday, but don't tell anyone.
It's subject to where you are too.
Right.
It's different all over. So.
But usually when it goes up in one place, it starts going up everywhere.
That's
and when
right.
it goes down, the opposite happens.
All right. See you guys on the next one. Love you.